Arduino Uno versus ESP32. Which board is right for your project? Arduino Uno is simple, reliable, and beginner-friendly, whereas ESP32 is powerful, packed with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Uno has an 8-bit 16 MHz processor. ESP32 has a 32-bit dual-core 240 MHz processor. ESP32 is way faster. ESP32 has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but Uno needs extra modules for wireless. This is an important difference. Uno runs at 5 volts. ESP32 runs at 3.3 volts. Don't connect 5-volt sensors directly. ESP32 has more pins, more memory, and costs less. Uno is great for learning and basic projects. Pick ESP32 for IoT, smart devices, and high-speed projects. Uno is perfect for beginners, simple robotics, and learning electronics. Beginner winner, Arduino Uno. Pro winner, ESP32. Choose the board that fits your project. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and happy making.